Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to draw on your screen during a Google Meet to make your presentation more interactive. First of all, share your screen, first join your Google Meet, then click on present now. Your entire screen or window, choose what you want to share and click the share. Now choose a whiteboard. To draw on your screen, open the Google Jamboard or any drawing app. On Google Meet, tap on present first of all and open the Jamboard. Everyone in the meeting can see what you draw in real time. Then you can use access to the draw tools. In Jamboard, you have tools like pen, highlighter, eraser and colors. Use these to make highlight or annotate during your presentation. And another step is to collaborate. Participants also can draw if you give them access. Just click share and share with the people and allow the editing. This makes your meeting interactive and fun. And that's it, now you know how to draw on screen in Google Meet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.